Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel today. If you're new, my name is Amelia. I have some pretty exciting new content that I'm going to be showing you guys in the near future. So my goal for 2019 is to live a happier and healthier lifestyle. I know for many of us this is the exact same goal, so I'm wanting to share my journey with you, hoping that inspires your journey as well. If you like this type of content, please continue to stick around. A lot of the meals that I make are super easy and simple. I'm hoping you guys really like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Alright, starting off with breakfast, first meal of the day. I've really been loving having my oats. I often like to have oats with heaps of different fruits, but today I have chosen to have a whole banana and also some blueberries. Banana is really great for you, a great source of vitamin C, potassium and magnesium, and of course many other benefits as well. I'm one of those people who really like to mush their food together. I don't know, I wish I wasn't like that, but I love when everything's mixed together, so this is me mixing it together. For my first snack of the day, I went with some rice cakes and some leftover mashed egg that I had to finish off. A really great source of protein. Moving on to lunch now. I don't know what's going on with me, but there is just something I've been obsessing over with mushrooms. So I thought now is the perfect time to eat mushrooms. I really like to stir fry them. It smells good. It doesn't look the best, but it tastes good and it smells really good. I also really like to hear the sizzling of the mushrooms cooking. I added in some green beans to my mushrooms. I chopped my green beans a little bit smaller just because that's my personal preference. I added a bit of garlic powder just to give it some extra flavors. And yeah, this is my lunch. I actually really enjoyed eating this. I know it seems really quite simple and strange, but I loved it and I'm going to continue to make it.
A few moments later.
For my next snack, I really wanted something sweet, so I went with an apple. This apple cutter though is amazing. It chops your apples so quickly and easily for you. And I want to top it off with some peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I was also feeling pretty thirsty, so I went with some coconut water. Time for dinner now. This is actually my first time ever making this meal. I was kind of excited about making it, really. If you're interested in the recipe, please let me know in the comments and I can type everything out for you. Now, as you can see, I'm just mixing all my ingredients together, and then I realized my pan is too small for everything else to go in it. So I ended up getting out a bigger pan and just switching it all into that. If I had to make this meal again, I'd probably cut the pumpkin and the cauliflower pieces a little bit smaller just so they cook quicker, because it did take a while for everything to heat through. I just kind of eyeballed the coconut milk. I just was a bit lazy to measure, so I just guessed. And this is the finished product. I love it. I really do. I'm so happy. I just love finding really easy vegetarian meals with low ingredients, so I look forward to sharing other easy recipes with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.